In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a reading list on Wattpad. If you have old reading lists on your profile that you no longer use, or you simply want to organize your account and remove unnecessary lists, then this tutorial will guide you through the entire process, step by step, using Wattpad on your computer. The process is very simple, and you can do it in just a few clicks. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Wattpad website. Once the page loads, sign into your Wattpad account using your login details. If you do not already have an account, you can create one first before continuing. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to your Wattpad homepage. From here, move your cursor to the top section of the page and open your profile. Inside your profile, you will be able to find all of your reading lists. Reading lists are useful for organizing stories based on genres, favorites, or personal categories, but sometimes you may want to remove lists that are no longer needed. For example, if you decide to create a new reading list, you can simply choose a title for it and save it to your profile. Once the reading list appears, you can manage it whenever you want. If your goal is to remove a reading list permanently, locate the specific list you want to delete and open its Settings or Editing section. Inside the editing options, you will find the choice to delete the reading list. Click on the Delete option and a confirmation message may appear asking if you are sure you want to continue. Confirm the action and the reading list will immediately be removed from your Wattpad profile. It is important to remember that once a reading list is deleted, it may not be possible to recover it later. Because of this, make sure you are deleting the correct list before confirming the action. If you only want to reorganize your stories instead of removing the list completely, you can also edit the contents of the reading list before deciding to delete it. As you can see, deleting a reading list on Wattpad is a quick and easy process that helps keep your profile organized and clean. Whether you are updating your account, removing old categories, or simply starting fresh, managing your reading lists only takes a few moments. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.